Okay, so the last part of this project requires the creation of a new favicon using the new logo.svg that we all created 2 projects ago. So there is a free online SVG to PNG converter. So I'm going to open that in a new tab. And it says to upload the files that we want. It's got a drop box right here that we can do that. So what we need to do is find logo-96 by 96.svg. And here's a trick. Let me cancel out of these files. Here's a trick that you can use. I know that this logo file is in my images folder. If I right click on that file, I can reveal in Finder or reveal in Fire Explorer. There it is right there. I can drag that, hover it over my, should work, right? Hover it over the browser and drop it right there. So this way I know I'm getting the right file because I found it inside VS Code. I didn't have to go looking for it. I'm going to click on download all. And now I have to put this somewhere where I can find it. If your browser is set for default of putting everything in the downloads folder, that's fine. I've reset my browser so that it always asks me where I want to put my files. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it in my documents folder because it's not too crowded. Then I can go into documents and unzip it. If you're on a Windows machine, you would have to click on that and find extract all. And when I do this, let me get rid of these other windows. I have a whole bunch of them. Yeah. When I do this, because the SVG was sized to be 96 by 96, this PNG is also, it's not showing up, but it's 96 by 96. There it is. So that's perfect. I'm going to right click and copy that. Go into my P7. And I think it's, let me go back. I want to rename this favicon. Now I will copy it. Go into P7 and paste it. And when I do that, I'm asked if I want to replace it, and the answer is yes. Okay, so if I now go back to my page in Live Server, and actually it worked for me when I did a refresh. Sometimes it won't work, and if that happens to you, the blog says to go to Stack Overflow and look at the solution. And the solution is that you can actually put a version number on any image file. And if the browser has not loaded that version of that image file, the next time it loads the page, it will force a new load of that particular image. So let's say that we needed to do that. We come into index.html. Here is favicon.png, so we put a question mark, v equals 2. This number doesn't really matter, or this whole string on the other side of the question mark doesn't really matter. It tells the browser that whatever the browser sees, it has to match up with the image that is currently being stored in the browser's cache. So v equals 2 is good enough for me. I'll go ahead and save that. And of course we don't see it here, but when it refreshed, it actually changed the color of the fav icon from being the original blue color to a nice green color. So that's it for this video.